Southern California is exploding in chaos. We're live on the ground as National Guard troops clash with violent protesters in Los Angeles. Tear gas fills the air, highways are war zones, and President Trump just dropped a bombshell decision. This is not a drill. America is at a crossroads. Stick with Profit Powerhouse for every second of this developing crisis. Welcome back. It's June 8, 2025, and Profit Powerhouse is tracking history unfolding in real time. For 72 straight hours, LA protests have raged. Demonstrators are burning cars, hurling rocks at federal agents, and shutting down the 101 freeway. Minutes ago, President Trump deployed over 2,000 National Guard troops. Let's break this down step by step. First, why now? This firestorm ignited after ICE arrested 100+ migrants in LA, including suspects wanted for child abuse and sexual assault. But immigration enforcement isn't backing down. Violent rioters responded by storming ICE headquarters, slashing tires, and attacking law enforcement. Second, the human cost. Look at this live feed cut to footage. You see protesters choking on tear gas. That's the direct result of agitators throwing fireworks at troops. Earlier, a motorcyclist rammed a police line. 2 officers are hospitalized. This isn't protest, it's anarchy. Third, the political bomb. Governor Newsom just called Trump's National Guard deployment unlawful. Meanwhile, Mayor Bass pleaded for peaceful protests while admitting LAPD was overrun. But here's the truth. Federal agents are hunting suspects linked to assaulting officers with $50,000 bounties per attacker. Fourth, what's next? Trump warned he'll send active duty Marines if chaos continues. DHS confirms arrested illegals include murder and child cruelty suspects. Yet activists demand their release. Profit Powerhouse asks you, should criminal migrants be shielded? We're monitoring every angle. Fox News confirms rioters burned Mexican flags in Terramount. ABC caught agitators hurling tear gas canisters back at police. This is a border security nightmare gone viral. MID point poll. Drop 47 if you back Trump's troop surge. Drop 46 if you side with Newsom. Comment now, your voice matters. Analysis segment. Let's connect dots. These LA protests mirror campus riots funded by overseas groups. Retired NYPD Inspector Paul Morrow told us, local prosecutors won't charge rioters. This needs federal intervention. He's right. When sanctuary cities hide criminals, ICE becomes the last line of defense. Watch this clip from 10 minutes ago show tactical arrests. See those shields? That's Border Patrol SWAT teams rescuing pinned National Guard units. If you're near LA, avoid downtown, Westlake, and freeways. Schools and businesses are locked down. President Trump's warning was crystal clear. We're not letting America be torn apart like Hunter Biden. With Marines on standby, this could escalate before dawn. Profit Powerhouse will stay live all night. Bookmark us. If this coverage kept you informed, do this: one smash that like button, it fuels our breaking news. To subscribe and hit the bell. We're tracking every twist in this immigration enforcement Dow. 3 comment power if you stand with law and order. This is Profit Powerhouse. We don't spin news. We report it. Stay safe and stay tuned.